Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off or disable Wi-Fi calling on an iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you already enable Wi-Fi calling, then this video is going to walk you through how to disable it. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to disable Wi-Fi calling on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down the settings page and click on phone app. On iOS 18, click on apps. Now scroll down and click on the phone app as well. So just scroll down, click on phone app. Now once you click on the phone app, scroll down the page, locate and click on Wi-Fi calling. Now you should see your Wi-Fi calling enabled. To disable Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and toggle off this green button to gray. And once you have Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone turned to gray, then you're good to go. Then henceforth, you will not be able to make a Wi-Fi call on your iPhone, and then that's exactly how to disable or turn off Wi-Fi calling on an iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.